Okay, so today we're going over this 2005 Porsche 996 Carrera 4S in Guards Red with the Aero package. Very hard package to find. This car has been excellently spec'd. A lot of options have been checked off on it, and we'll go over this fairly quickly. This is a 6-speed example with only 49,000 miles on it. Really nice car. Gonna do a quick walk around the vehicle, interior and exterior, and we're gonna fire it up to listen to it. So this is, as I said, Aero package on it. Also it has the BBS Sport Techno wheels. These are hollow spoke, finished in chrome. This is factory option. These were not aftermarket finished. This car came with these wheels originally. Very hard to find these cars with these wheels on it. Very sought after. Body in the car is pretty clean. It is free of any major dings, scratches, imperfection. The car looks really good. These are brand new tires on them. Maybe 500 miles on the tires. Roof looks good too, no oxidation on the roof. Glass is really clean. No pitting or rock chips or cracks. This vehicle is all original, no modifications. Well, I take it back, it has a Canon intake. Other than that, no modifications whatsoever, and that intake really does actually help with the excellent sounds it makes. I would not say it's a downgrade. Intake and exhaust on these cars definitely a plus. I absolutely love the rear end of 994S. That brake light that goes across the car is very iconic. I think these cars are aging very well and they're appreciating in value very quickly. Back bumper looks good. It does have a backup camera right there. Sport exhaust. No cracking on the taillights on the edges. It's fairly common as these age. They start cracking around here. Looks nice and good. All the wheels are in really nice condition, and the chrome finishes on them is pretty good too. This vehicle has been kept indoor its whole life, and the condition shows. Okay, let's go with the interior, which has been very well optioned as well. This has the color matched seat backs, color matched seat center tunnel, and color matched gauge trim. Very hard to find. You don't see these two options alone at all. And the seat backs in red just absolutely stunning. Oh, look at that. Wow. But the interior is in good condition. Seats, it is a non-smoker interior, no foul smells. Everything looks good on the interior. No rips, no tears, nothing's broken. Door panel is nice and very nice condition. Steering wheel is leather, looks good, no cracking. It does have the optional carbon fiber gear knob and the handbrake. Very well optioned car. You just do not see this spec come around often at all. what a treat this car is. That is stunning. Passenger seat is in really good condition as well. Center tunnel does not have any scratches at all, or shows any signs of extensive wear. Very well kept. Dash looks good. Alright, let's fire this thing up. Fortunately, I will not be able to give it any higher revs than 2,000 because this is cold start. And we'll make another video of this vehicle. We'll take it out for a spin. Okay. Very healthy. Full start, no smoke, no ticks. AC is on. Make sure you get inside. Oh, the front didn't close. AC is on. Well, I think the matter has another modification, which is this head unit. Pretty nice. Built-in GPS. Bluetooth, hands-free. It is a welcome modification, does not hurt. No warning lights. Only thing is that seat belt, because I do not have a seat belt on. 49,707 current mileage. Idling nice and smooth. Okay. Turn off the lights, hazards. does work. Oh, here it is. 9964S, absolutely stunning vehicle, now available.